Hello dear student, how are you? Today I will teach you current electricity of class 10th standard and our topic is combination of resistor. This is most important topic in current electricity. Then now let us start today class combination of resistor. There are two types of combination of resistor. First one is series combination, second one is parallel combination. First of all we discuss series combination. Then write down series combination. Series combination. What is series combination? The resistors are connected end to end. Resistors are connected end to end like this. I explain here. You consider three different resistors R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6 as shown. You put only three here. Okay. Now all resistors have two ends, first end, second end, first end, second end, first end and second end. According to the statement of series combination, first point of series combination, the second end of this resistor connected to first end of this resistor, again second end of this resistor connected to first end of this resistor. We join here, also join here. Now second point of series combination, current in this circuit diagram is same, that is current at each resistor flowing in this resistor are same. You connect a battery or you provide a potential difference here. This is potential difference. This one be plus plate, this one be minus plate, plus plate and minus plate. This is known as higher potential, this is known as lower potential. Okay. Now current is always flow in the direction of higher potential to lower potential. Higher potential to lower potential like this. Higher potential to lower potential. Not like this. This is wrong method. Okay. Now current is flowing here in this circuit diagram. I current flowing. Here also I current flowing. Here also I current flowing. Here also I current flowing. At each resistor current is same. Okay. This one be second point. Third most important point in series combination, the potential difference across each resistor. Potential difference across each resistor are different. Here V1, here V2, here V3, and this potential difference known as potential drop. It is known as potential drop. V1, V2, V3 is known as potential drop. Potential drop. Clear? And what is the value of V1? Apply here Ohm's law. V is equal to I R1. V2 is equal to I R2. V3 is equal to I R3. Clear? Clear? Now you apply here potential V. You apply potential V. This potential you apply. But at resistor R1, at resistor R2, at resistor R3, here are some potential drop. At R1, at R2 and R3, V1, V2, V3, this is potential drop. Then you told V applied is equal to, V applied, this potential is equal to summation of all potential drop. Then you can write here V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Potential applied is equal to summation of potential drop. This is your first equation. Okay. Now combination of this resistor R1, R2 and R3. Combination of this resistor R1, R2, R3, you suppose RE, are equivalent. Combination of R1, R2, R3, you suppose it are equivalent. Okay. Suppose. Then what is the equivalent circuit diagram of this? Very simple. R1, R2, R3 is equal to RE, R equivalent. Now you here provide potential V, also here potential V. Clear? Also here potential V. And current I flowing in this circuit diagram. Then write down the equation of this circuit diagram. What is the equation of this circuit diagram? V is equal to IRE. V is equal to IRE. Clear? V1, V2, V3. V1 is equal to this potential V1 is equal to IR1. This is potential drop. V2 is equal to IR2. This is also potential drop. V3 is equal to IR3. This is also potential drop. V1 apply voltage V. V is equal to, you find here, I into RE. I into RE. All value of potential you put in the equation of this equation number 1. Then V is equal to IRE. V1 is equal to IR1. V2 is equal to IR2. V3 is equal to IR3. There are some common term. Which is common term? Current. I is the common term. Then it is cancelled. Left equation RE is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is your series combination formula. Clear? This is your series combination formula. If in question given R1, R2, R3, R4 as shown, then R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 according to formula. Okay, so write down. Our next topic is our parallel combination.